Hello and welcome to pmslounge.com. In this video, I wanted to take up a comment that came in on one of our previous videos, and it is by Kusum. You will see it on your screen now. The video was about renewing your PMP certification, and Kusum had a question. She asked, should I become a PMI member before renewing my PMP certificate? Which is most cost effective? So if you basically renew your PMP certification with having a PMI membership, is it going to be more cost effective? Right. So I think the straight answer to it could be by showing you an email that you typically receive after you are done with all the PDUs that you require. So let me share my screen. This is the email that you're going to receive, right? It is by PMI and it says that you have achieved 60 PDUs, right? So by the way, if you don't already know, when you want to renew your PMP certification, what you need are 60 PDUs in the course of 3 years. So once you have those 60 PDUs, you can now proceed to renew your PMP certification, right? And what it says here towards the bottom is that as a PMI member, if you're a PMI member, you will have an access to array of great discounts. You have the chance to take advantage of one of the best 60% savings on your certification renewal fee. So if you become a member, you will get 60% savings on PMP renewal. So I would highly urge you to get yourselves the PMI membership. There are loads of benefits and advantages of having the PMI membership. One of them is, of course, getting all these discounts on renewal fees of PMP as well. I hope that helps. I'll catch you guys in the next one.